Hi everyone and welcome to Food, Fashion and Fun with Sonal. Hope you're keeping well and safe during quarantine. So as you all know, I have a hyperactive 19 months old and you know what? I realized that we are almost out of the watercolor or paint. So I decided to make a DIY watercolor so that my little monkey keeps busy and creative. And I thought I should share it with you guys too. So shall we begin? So for DIY watercolor, you'd need any liquid soap or shampoo. I have used Hygiene Store brand hand soap as it's not harsh on the skin. White corn flour, water, mixing spoon or brush, and paintbrush. Well, clearly I didn't have any of the brushes, so I'm using an old mascara brush and makeup brush. Food colorings of your choice and color palette. Again, I didn't have it, so turned the ice tray into a color palette. So let's move on to the procedure then. Place 1 tablespoon of corn flour into your palette. Now add in half a tablespoon of the liquid soap then. Next, add in 1 or 2 drops of your food coloring. You can add or decrease the food coloring or even mix 2 colors according to your preference. Now, take the mixing brush and add in the water little by little while mixing all the ingredients very well. Make sure not to add too much of water or else your watercolor will turn out too runny. We need a thicker consistency. Somewhere in between paint and paste. So this is how my colors turned out, which were thoroughly enjoyed by my little Miss Ninja. I hope this video will help you out, especially during these tough times of lockdown. So please stay well and safe, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, ciao!